Okay, this is also
asuntosykeyhtiö Helsingin Fokka.
very nice. And the last novel here in Ruoholahti, Gräsviken, Helsinki's modernized Finland. That's on Selkämerenkatu, Bottenhavsgatan 7 staircase scene. You can watch the staircases A and D here as well. This was built in 1995 by Novel, Kone with Novel Elements Pictures. The number is 68017. This could be also the beginning of 1995. We'll be inspired next year, 2025, when it's going to be 30 years old. Let's get to right here. It has sound floors. Today's the 5th of March 2024, and here in Ruoholahti, Gräsviken, there are only 2 elevators that have been built, and those are Series 1 elevators. This could have been green.
Tiedetpaakin väispää, että me eteen Espoon hissiin.
I love the sounds and the smell in here.
Same here.
It's one of the reflection. Check that door. It says the year on it.
That's